I think I got it of what I'm vlogging. So that's gonna be. So it's been day 3 of vlogging. So yesterday I have posted my vlog part 2. Like I am all in the vlogs. I am just keep saying like I don't know what vlogging. I think I got it of what I'm vlogging. So that's gonna be 0 to 10k per month challenge, 10k USD. So right now I am in 0 USD. It's been March day 1. So yeah, in the next 30 days I will try to go to 0 to 2k because that is more reachable. And because in my last video or the video that I'm going to upload tomorrow is you will get to know what about my 3k per month offer. In the last video I shared you my like what happening with 3k per month potential client. Yeah, I will show you. So it's been, yeah, so it's around 8:15, yes, early in the morning. And I forgot to tell you about like what's my today's goal. So today's goal as an editor will be mine of editing my own YouTube video. That's it. I'll see you when I started working. So I just not edited, I just started rendering a new video for my IG. It's just before and after to track high ticket clients. Yeah, I will show you. So this is the format I typically use to edit. So yeah, and it's been around, if you can see, it's around 9 o'clock almost. So I'm going for the bath. See, again it desaturated. Alright, so it's around 11:30 and I've done my, not done my, I'm just still working on my reel. So I'm back, like to give you some update. So I just completed my reel and that took me around, I really didn't do much anything. I just edited my weekly review video and I didn't edit it, just cut out all the fluff and shit and just added some music, some transitions, some SFX and all that. And that took me around 3 to 4 days. That's it, nothing more. Yeah, that's pretty much for it. And now it's 5:30. I'm going for a cycle ride. I will meet you after the cycle ride. Alright, so I don't know what will I record last time because I don't know. But I think I know what. So yeah, so I don't know what I have recorded last time, but I think that was my cycling time when I went to cycle. That's all right. After that, I didn't did much things. Just my some thumbnail inspiration. I am working on some thumbnail inspiration. I've taken some thumbnail inspiration and watched some content, and that's pretty much it for a day. But if I want to rate this day, it's like 5 on 10 because I did something and something I still went off. But that's the part of journey. So tomorrow is Monday and I will be improving my schedule because I have shifted my gym time from 3 p.m. to 5 a.m. Yes, I'm shifting my gym to be the first priority because if I just did the gym, then rest of the day will be myself. Then I can allocate to gym or vlogging, and that's it. And I know I'm still inconsistent of shooting angles and all that, but the reason for that, I'm still hiding my vlogging part from my parents. So yeah, if you like my content, I don't know if you watch me or not, just please subscribe. It helps me a lot also. But even if you don't subscribe me, just watch till the end, bro. And that's pretty much it. So what will be my tomorrow goals? Tomorrow goal will be, first first step is of course of journaling. As I said last time, like I want to journal daily. That's it. Second, if I'm going to gym early, so I need to wake up early. That's two stones. That's two birds with single arrow. Yeah. And the third thing will be, I need to do is what I can do. There is a creator who launched a SaaS video tutorial today, so I will watch that too. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the week, for the day, and for the week. and that's it. Ace out.